Welcome to another Jack Tars Journeys. This is going to be a quick one. I've got a Ford Fiesta 2009, which is a Mark 6, Mark 7, I don't know what it is. And I've got a problem with the immobiliser. I'm sure many of you have got it. You go to turn it on and the light just flashes. And the more you do it, it just does it, and then every now and again it'll go. I've got two keys. Both of them are probably something wrong with them, I suppose. Anyway, let me get in there and show you how I've tried to get round it just by luck. Let's go. Right, so I'm sat in the car, I've got both my keys. I'm going to flick you around so you can have a quick look, and probably if it's happening to you, it may help you, it may not, but have a quick look. So you put your key in, you turn it, and you've got the red flashing light in the middle. When that makes that beepy noise, if you turn it right off and back on again, it's gone. That's with this key. Right, that's with this one here. I can't change the battery, he's knackered. This other one, let me put him in. I haven't got the original keys because my wife lost them some time ago. So I've turned him on. I'll wait for the ding. If I turn it back just one click and forward, and it's gone. And there you go, the car starts. Must mean either there's something wrong with that ring around the ignition barrel, or it's probably my keys are knackered. One of the two, or both, or something else. Show you again just so you know. Standard cheap reprogrammed key. Put it in, and you turn it all the way on, the light flashes. If I turn it back one click, it's gone. Alright, I played around with it for ages. There's the other one. Right. Wait for the ding. I'll try turning it back one. And he's gone again. Look, there he is. And there he is, started for you. I'm not sure. So I thought I'd fixed it. It didn't go. The next morning I went to start it, put the key in, turned, and I was turning. Eventually it went, but it just took ages. So the next thing I thought was it's the battery, because the battery was a bit dead. And then I was talking with a chap at work, and he said, try the transceiver. I said, transceiver? And what it is this. This here goes around your ignition barrel. And you can see the back of it, it's got like a little plug in it. See the plug there at the back here? Just here. This has got like a coil inside which picks up a signal from your key and transfers it through this into the rest of the system, the ECU and that. So I changed this. I went down the scrapyard, pulled this off one. It cost me £10. I put it on, put the key in, first thing it went. So that transceiver module, I don't know how much Ford charge for them or whatever, but there's plenty around the scrapyards. They don't usually take them off the cars, so sometimes you may have to take a trip down there and take it off. They're very simple to take off. I'll nip out quickly and show you where the screws are and all the rest of it. I'll do that now. Right, you've got 3 screws to take off on the cowl. On the top, so there's your steering wheel. You've got one there next to that stalk, see them? Right in there. That's star head. If I turn the steering wheel round that way, you'll see the other one, which is just there. See on the top there? Over here. You take them 2 off, and there's a further one which is underneath your steering column. I'm just trying to get this camera up there to see you. This ain't easy. Right there. See them? So they're the 3 that you've got to take off. And what I might do Let's just take them off so you can see what it's like. It's very, very simple. Very simple. I've undone them, and now this top cowl just lifts off. There you go. It just lifts up like that. That's him off. So it gives you access. Let's have a look and see if I can get this round here. Top's off. Now we need to get the bottom off. Right, let's get him off. Here we go. You undo that one. Take him off. Right. That's all the screws out, only 3. Right. Let's see if I can show you. So I'll just turn this off a minute. Now this just pulls down. It's a bit awkward, but it does literally just pull down. I'm in an awkward place here. Let me just try and get in here. Quite difficult to video and hold the camera at the same time. Once he's free, it just pulls off like this. There you go. Now he's off. See, he's off. And there, that black around it is the ring. Now all that, to take that off, there's literally just 3 little small lugs. I'm trying to video it, it's quite difficult. So, you see up here, just in there, there's a plastic lug that you've got to flick up. There's another one over that side, and there's another one down here. You pull them up, and what they are, if I show you on this one, there they are. That's one, that's the other, and that's the other. So there's 3 of them down there. There he is. Let me just where is that zoomed in? Right. 3 of those lugs. One here. One here. And one here. There they are. And that's all that is. That's it. There's not really a lot to it. You can see it there. That's what I've took off. Just on the back of it, you've got the electrics, and that just unclips. So on here, look at the one we've already got. Yeah, so the one we've got, I'll take this inside and show you. But yeah, that's where the connector goes in, and if you look down the side here, it just slots in there. You just flick it out and that'll pull out. You just pop the other one in, put all the stuff back on, and hopefully you'll have the same sort of result as me. I'll go and finish this off indoors. I'll just go and put everything back together again. So that really is all there is to it. You can see the lugs. It's these here, one there, one here, and another one just there. See them? That's all it is. That you just squeeze them off, that comes off, and who could have thought that such a small piece of whatever could cause you so many problems? But before you go spending a fortune of money, get yourself down a scrapyard, get one of them, and just see if that's it. So that's it. That little small innocuous black plastic, whatever, is the cause of all my trouble so far, touch wood. Now I know it works and it took minutes to do. Literally get yourself down a scrapyard, pick one of these up for £5–10, whatever it is. They don't always take them off the car, so you may well find you've got to do it yourself, but it's 3 screws, literally 3 hex screws. You take them off, or star screws rather, and 3 little tiny, you can see them there, these little bits and pieces on here, this one here, see that, them 3 of them, just prise them off of a screwdriver, it'll come off. Once you've got it off, take the other one off and they slot on. You can see the little clip just here, that clip just lifts up and it comes out, and then you just push the new one in, job done. Hopefully it'll have helped some of you, and if you could, like, subscribe, share, comment, all the usual things, I'd really appreciate it. I look forward to doing the next one. All the best, take it easy.